Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable double tap to lock your iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to go ahead and simply tap on Settings to open up settings in your mobile device. Inside Settings, scroll below, then tap on Accessibility. Now inside here, scroll below again, then tap on Touch. Inside Touch, scroll all the way to the bottom, then tap on Back Tap. Now inside here, you'll see two options, double tap or triple tap. You need to go ahead and simply tap on any one of them. For now, I'm going to go ahead and tap on double tap. Inside here, from the list of actions, scroll down and just like that, go ahead and simply select a lock screen. So, now whenever you double tap on the back of your iPhone, it will instantly lock the screen. Super useful if your power button is hard to reach or not working properly. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.